Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image using Pixlr application. So let's get started right away. Now you may open up the Pixlr application and then log into your account. Or you can also use the web browser version. After opening it up and logging in, go ahead and open up Pixlr Express. And now you can upload your own image or use an AI image generator to start editing your picture. After uploading your image, this will open up the image editor. Now from here, in order to crop the image, just click on the crop option at the left side. You will now be able to drag and adjust the area that you want to crop and keep within your image. After cropping your image to your desired size, you may rotate and flip your image as well if you wish to do so. You may also choose your aspect ratio and define your preset from the preset drop-down menu. After you have chosen your cropping size, you can simply click on the save button to save your image and continue making your edit. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to crop your images on the Pixlr application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.